Looking for a powerful, accurate, and reliable miter saw that won't drain your wallet? You're in the right place. Today we're checking out the best budget miter saws you can buy right now. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a small shop pro, these saws give you serious cutting performance without breaking the bank. Stay tuned until the end because my top pick might surprise you. Welcome back to Tool Mentorship, the channel where we help you find the right tools for the right job. If you're new here, hit subscribe for honest reviews and helpful Amazon picks. Today we'll look at 5 great miter saws that deliver quality at an affordable price. I'll share their key features, pros, and cons so you can decide which one fits your needs. Links to each saw are in the description for you to check the latest deals. Metabo HPT C10 and FCGS 10 Compound Miter Saw. The Metabo HPT C10 and FCGS is a lightweight and budget-friendly option with a 10-inch blade and a 15-amp motor that spins at 5,000 RPM. Weighing only 24 pounds, it's easy to move around, making it perfect for small workshops or on-the-go projects. It has a large table for better material support, but it lacks a laser guide and has a limited bevel capacity. Pros: very portable, fast cutting, and stable table. Cons: no laser and limited bevel range. DeWalt 12-inch single bevel miter saw. The DeWalt 12-inch single bevel miter saw offers solid build quality and power with a 15-amp motor running at 4,000 RPM. The large blade allows you to cut bigger materials, and the miter detent plate helps you make accurate adjustments. It is heavier than some models and only tilts one way, but the durability and cutting capacity make it a strong choice. Pros: reliable build, large cutting range, and accurate settings. Cons: heavier weight and single bevel only. Skil 3821-0112 Compound Miter Saw. The Skil 3821-01 is a feature-packed miter saw with a 12-inch blade, 15-amp motor at 4,500 RPM, and a built-in laser guide for precise cuts. It also has a quick mount system for faster setup and 9 positive stops for quick angle changes. However, it's a bit louder than other models, and dust collection could be better. Pros: laser precision, fast setup, and multiple preset angles. Cons: noisy operation and weaker dust control. Metabo C10 FCH2S 10 Compound Miter Saw. The Metabo C10 FCH2S is another solid pick, offering a laser marker system for accuracy and a comfortable grip that reduces vibration. It's lightweight but still stable, making it easy to handle. Its bevel range is smaller than premium models, and the 10-inch blade means a smaller cutting capacity. Pros: laser guide, comfortable grip, and portability. Cons: limited bevel range and smaller cutting capacity. OL. Genesis GMS 1015 LC10 Compound Miter Saw. The Genesis GMS 1015 LC is an affordable saw with a laser guide, 10-inch blade, and 15-amp motor, perfect for trim and light woodworking. It's compact, easy to store, and offers good precision for its price. The build quality is lighter compared to brands like DeWalt, and it's best suited for smaller projects. Pros: low price, laser accuracy, and compact design. Cons: lighter build and not ideal for heavy-duty work. If you need maximum portability, the Metabo HPT C10 and FCGS is the best choice. For larger jobs, the DeWalt 12-inch is hard to beat. The Skil 3821-01 offers the most features for accuracy and speed. The Metabo C10 and FCH2S is perfect if you want a laser guide on a budget, and the Genesis GMS 1015 LC is great for hobbyists and light-duty projects. When picking a budget miter saw, think about blade size, motor power, laser guidance, and portability. A 10-inch blade is lighter and easier to move, while a 12-inch blade cuts larger pieces. Go for at least 15 amps of power for smooth performance. A laser guide helps with accuracy, and a lightweight design makes it easier to work in different locations. Which one would you pick? Tell me in the comments. All the saws I mentioned are linked below so you can check prices and deals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tool Mentorship, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next review. Thanks for watching, and happy building.